One of the most empowering things that you can do as a student at the University of Montana is to have an understanding of what to do should an unexpected situation arise.
If you have been sexually assaulted, don't keep it a secret. Get help. Talk to a friend. Call SARC. Call 911 or tell your RA. You can go to First Step for medical treatment and options. SARC advocates are available 24 hours a day to go with you if you wish. And you can always contact the Title IX office. None of these options will automatically trigger a university or criminal investigation unless you want it to. And remember, it is not your fault. You are not responsible for the actions of others, and it is not your fault that somebody decided to hurt you. If someone you know has been sexually assaulted or raped and they confide in you, be a good listener. If the assault just occurred, you are in a position to help them to decide what to do. First and foremost, get them to someplace safe and away from the perpetrator. Then you can decide who to call and where to go. Contact information for all of these options is available in the resources link. No matter when the incident occurred, you should encourage them to contact SARC for counseling and other options. There is a 10-year statute of limitations on rape in the state of Montana. So if the incident occurred in the last decade, you can still report it to police. No matter when the crime occurred, there are things you can do to help yourself or your friend.
First, believe your friend. Research shows that the most important part of recovery after someone has been raped is that someone believe his or her story. Almost no one lies when reporting a sexual assault. Also, remember, it is important not to engage in victim blaming when a friend turns to you for help.
One thing you can do as a student is make sure you're both safe. You can respond to any physical or personal needs and offer to take your friend to First Step or the hospital. You can get confidential medical care there without making an official report to law enforcement. A medical examination can detect and prevent injuries, STIs, and pregnancy. It may also detect the use of date rape drugs. There are also many options for help on campus, including SARC and Curry Health Center.
Listen to and comfort your friend. Don't try to take control of the situation by saying things like, "Here's what you have to do." And remember, they may not want a hug or physical contact. Be patient and just listen.
Reinforce that they are not to blame and remind them that they did not ask for this to happen to them.
Don't react with violence. You may want to go out and confront the rapist yourself. But remember, this isn't about you and your anger. This is about your friend.
Recommend that your friend see someone who can offer emotional support, like the counselors at SARC. Offer to go with them, but if they refuse, that's their choice.
So remember, to get help, call SARC, the Student Advocacy Resource Center. To report a crime, call 911.
It is important to report sexual misconduct to the Title IX office. All university employees are required to report information about sexual misconduct to the Title IX coordinator. Reporting these crimes is important. It is the best way for the university to ensure your safety so that you can get the most out of your university experience.